The Port of Galveston is experiencing unprecedented growth in its cruise industry, with new terminals and an increase in sailings driving economic growth and job creation. The year 2023 promises to be even bigger for the port, with new terminals and more ships calling Galveston their home port. In November 2022, Royal Caribbean International opened a new $125 million cruise terminal in Galveston, powered entirely by solar panels. The terminal is home to the largest ship currently in Texas, the 400-guest Allure of the Seas cruise ship. And in December 2023, the Carnival Jubilee, the first LNG-powered cruise ship to homeport in Galveston, will make its debut. The ship is an Excel-class cruise ship with a capacity for 5,400 guests and 1,700 crew members. It will sail 7-day Western Caribbean itineraries and boast features such as the Bolt roller coaster on the top deck. All this growth is not just leading to more cruise passengers in Galveston, but also creating a huge number of jobs. The Port of Galveston estimates a total of 355 sailings for 2023, setting a new record in its 22-year history as a cruise home port. Experts forecast more than 650,000 union hours on the Galveston waterfront in 2023, the highest in years. According to Roger Reese, Galveston Wharves Port Director and CEO, this cruise and cargo growth translates into new jobs and more work hours for union workers. The port is also planning a public-private project with MSC Cruises to construct a new $110 million cruise terminal and parking garage. The terminal, estimated to cost $70 million, with an additional $40 million for the parking garage, will be built in a warehouse currently occupied by Del Monte Fresh Produce. If everything proceeds according to plan, construction could begin in 2024, when Del Monte's lease ends, with cruises potentially starting in 2025. With all these exciting developments, the Port of Galveston is set to welcome millions of guests, confirming Galveston's position as a major player in the U.S. cruise industry.